property is located in the desired Helotes area on San Antonio's northwest side, Bexar County, featuring Northside schools. Come step inside our newest listing in Helotes in Sonoma Ranch. It's a charming one-story that has enough square footage for you and your family. As you step into the house, you'll see a large open living room and dining room area. Tons of light comes in, and it's nice and open to the kitchen. This house has a great kitchen with tons of windows, counter space, great sized pantry, and even has a study or office nook. Let's go walk to the other side of the house and take a look at the bedrooms. The first of the 3 bedrooms has a lot of light, good sized closet, and plenty of room. Both of the bedrooms share a full-size bathroom right off the hallway. One of the most unique features of this property is that it features a second bedroom that's connected to the master with double French doors. This would be great for a nursery or someone that wants an office right off of their master. Shown here, open to the master. This property has an excellent size master bedroom, tons of room for furniture, has a lot of light, feels open, and has an ensuite with a full bath. This walkthrough, you'll see the master with the double doors closed. The second bedroom can be used as an independent bedroom or office and be shut off completely. Here's another walkthrough of the second bedroom or office with the doors closed. It can be an extension of the master or a room all in and of itself. Let's go take a look outside in the backyard. The backyard of this home is really a nice feature of the home, an extension of the property. It's got a great sized backyard, large deck, covered patio, plenty of room to run around. Coming in from the outside, you get another view of the living room. It really is charming, nice and open. Give us a call or talk to your agent and come by and take a look. You'll love this property.